Good morning. Chapter Sequence and Series, exercise 9.2, question number 10. The question is, if the sum of first p terms of an AP is equal to the sum of first q terms, then find the sum of first p plus q terms. Okay? So let the first term be A and common difference be D. Let the first term be A and common difference be D. And according to question, it is given sum of first p terms, that is S.
So sum of p terms is equal to the sum of q terms.
Equal to SQ. Okay. Now use the sum formula. P by 2.
So p by 2, 2a plus p minus 1 into d.
P minus 1
into d.
Equal to q by 2.
Q by 2 into 2a plus q minus 1 into d.
2a plus q minus 1 into d. Okay. From both sides 1 by 2 cancelled. Okay. Then multiply by p. So 2ap.
2ap
plus
pd into p minus 1.
Minus 1 into pd. Okay. Equal to 2aq.
2aq plus
q minus 1
q minus 1 into qd.
into qd. Okay. Then 2ap minus 2aq.
2aq equals to q minus 1 qd
p square
minus
p minus p of d. Okay. Minus q square d. Minus plus minus qd, that is plus qd, equal to 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, from first two term, 2a is common. 2a. So 2a common, p minus
Sir, p minus q
plus d common, p square minus q square.
Minus p,
so p square minus q square minus p
minus
plus q.
P minus q equal to 0. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now 2a p minus q plus d into a square minus b square formula, a plus b into a minus b
P minus q
minus d into p minus q equal to 0.
So p minus q is common.
Yes, p minus q common, and then 0 by p minus q equal to 0. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So 2a plus d into p plus q
Minus d is equal to 0.
equal to 0. Okay. Then 2a plus d common, p plus
P minus
minus
minus 1.
equal to 0. Okay, this is number 1, equation number 1. Take. Now, see the question. Question is find sum of p plus q terms. That means sp plus q. Now, sp plus q equal to, use sum formula, p plus
Plus q by 2 into 2a plus p plus q minus 1 into d.
P plus Q minus 1 into
So P
D.
plus Q minus 1 into D.
Okay. Now this equal to, you can write this equal to
So
So
equal to
0.
0. So p plus q by 2
So
into
P
0
plus Q.
S of P plus Q equal to P plus Q by 2
into 0 equals to
Into
by
0.
0.
yes by 1. Okay. Now this equal to
So so sum of P
S
plus
of
Q is
p
equal
plus
to
q
0.
equals
so this equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
yes,
Okay. So S of P plus Q equal to 0. Sum of P plus Q equal to 0. Okay.
yes, sir.
This is the
Yes,
answer.
sir.
This is the answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, question number 13.
So we will move to question number 11 and 12.
Okay. Do first 13 number. If the sum of n terms, if the sum of n terms of an AP in terms of an AP is 3n square plus 5n. Okay, and its mth term is 164. Find the value of n. M. So sum of n terms of an AP is 3n square plus 5n and its mth term is 164. Find the value of m. Okay. So here Sn equal to sum of n terms. Sn equal to
So
3n
n by
plus
2.
5n.
square plus 5n. Okay. Therefore, S1 equal to
Sir, n we can take equals to 1. So 3 into 1 square plus 5,
So
that
3
is
into 1 square
8.
plus 5, which is 3 plus 5, which is 8.
S2
So 3 into
square plus
plus
5 into
5 into 2.
So it's 22.
So 4 to 12 plus 10, that is
So 3 4 is
22.
12 plus 10, which is 22.
So S1 equal to 8. Therefore,
A1.
first
So
term
it is A1 is equal to 8.
8 and
Yes, sir.
A2
So A2 is equal
So
to
A2 is
S2
equals to
minus
S2
S1.
minus S1.
So S2 minus S1.
So 22 minus 8 equals to 14.
14 A2. Okay. Now, therefore D equal to common difference.
So 14 minus 8, which is
14 minus
6.
8 equals to 6.
14 minus 8 equal to 6. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So for
sir.
finding M, we can write the mth term.
Common
It is
difference.
equal to
So
164.
an equals to nth term of
So an
AP.
equal
So
to
an equals to
So
a plus
AM
n
is
minus
equal
1
to A
into
plus
d.
M minus 1 into D. Answer in place of AM, we can
So
write
am equals to
164.
a plus m
So
minus
A
1
plus
into d.
M minus 1 into D. Sir, A plus M minus 1 into D is equal to 164.
First term is 8 plus
M minus 1 into 6
M minus
equals
1
to
into 6
164.
164.
64. Then M minus 1 into 6.
So M minus 1 into 6
Sir,
equals
M
to
minus 1 into 6 is equal to
164 minus
164
8
minus 8, which
equals
is
to
156.
156. So M minus 1 equals to
So M minus
156 by 6, that is 26.
So it is 26.
So M is equals to 26 plus 1, so M is equals to 27.
Okay, so value of M is 27. This is the answer.
Yes, sir.
Next, question number 14. Insert 5 numbers between 8 and 26, so that the resulting sequence, is an AP. Okay, so insert 5 numbers between 8 and 26. So let
A equals
Sir,
to 8.
A1. So we can take A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5 as 5 numbers.
5 numbers be
Sir, A1, A2, A3,
So N
A4,
is equals to
A5.
5.
okay. Take A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. Okay.
Sir, before that we can put 8, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 up to 26.
Therefore, AP series B so at first 8
A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, 26.
1, A2, A3, A4, A5, then 26.
So 26.
Here
Sir, A is equal to 8, B is equal to 26, and sir, N is equal to 7.
A equal to 8. Okay. And N equal to number of terms. How many terms are
So
present?
5.
So 7.
7. 5 plus 2, 7. 7. And
And sir, AN is 26.
A7 is 26. Last term. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Last term is 26. So therefore, start from here. A7 equal to 26.
So A7.
26. Use term formula.
Sir, A7 is equal to A plus 6, 7 minus 1 into D.
Then A is the first term is 8.
8 plus 60 equals to 26.
26. Okay. Then
60 equals to 26 minus 8.
equal to 26 minus 8
Sir,
Equals
which
to
is equal to
18. So
18. Sir,
6 D is
D is
equals
equal
to
to
18.
3.
So 6 is D is equals to 3.
D equal to
3.
3. Sir, A1 is equal to A plus D.
3.
Sir, which is
Now
11.
A1
Sir, A
A
plus
plus
D,
D,
which is
that is
equal
8
to
plus 3
11.
equals to 11.
A is 8 plus 3. Common difference
Equals
3.
to 11. So A plus 2D will be 8 plus
Sir,
6
A plus
equals
2D
to
is equal to A
14.
plus 6, which is 14. Answer A3 is similarly will be 17.
Plus 2D. 8 plus 2 into 3. 14. Okay.
So 8 plus 3D
So
equals to
A3
8
is 8
plus 9
plus
equals
3
to
into 3, which is
17.
8 plus 9, which is 17.
8 plus 3D equals to 8 plus 9 equals to 17.
3 into 3. 3
Equals to 17.
17. Then A4.
8
Sir,
plus
A plus
4D equals
sir,
to
A
8
plus
plus
12.
12
Sir,
equals
8
to
plus 12, which is
20.
20.
A plus 4 into 3 equals to 20.
20.
Sir, A5 is
A plus
equal
5D
to
equals
8
to 8
plus
plus
5
15
into
equals to
3, which is 8
23.
plus 15, which is 23.
8 into 8 plus 5 into 3 equals to 23. 8 plus 15 equals to 23.
23. Okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
therefore, the 5 numbers are
So 11, 14,
So
17,
11,
20, and
14,
23.
17, and
So
23.
they all have the common difference of 3.
11. Then
14, 17, 20, 23.
20 and
23.
23.
3. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Question is so that the resulting sequence is an AP, which is an AP series.
Sir, all have a common difference of 3, so it's perfect AP.
Okay. Which is
Yes, sir.
okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because same common difference is 3. Okay. Okay. Next, see number 15. Question number. If a to the power n plus b to the power n divided by this divided by a to the power n minus 1 plus b to the power n minus 1 is the AM arithmetic mean AM between AN between A and B. Then find n, find the value of n. Okay, so
Sir, AM of A plus B is A plus B by 2.
AM of A and B is A plus B by 2. Okay. So according to question,
Sir, according to the question, AN plus BN by AN minus 1 plus BN minus 1 is equal to A plus B by 2.
plus bn divided by a to the power n minus 1, a to the power n minus 1 plus b to the power n minus 1 equal to a plus b by 2. These two are equal. It is given question. Okay. Now simplify this. Cross multiply.
Sir, we can cross multiply. So 2AN plus BN is equal to A plus B into AN minus 1 plus BN minus 1.
an plus 2bn equal to a to the power n minus 1 into a, that means a to the power n, okay, plus
Yes, sir.
b to the power n minus 1 into b, that is b to the
So
power
B
n,
to the power N.
plus a to the power n minus 1 into b
Sir, AB to the power N minus 1.
okay, plus a into b to the power n minus 1.
Sir, AB to the power N minus 1.
Now 2a to the power n minus a to the power n, that is
Sir, A to the power N.
a to the power n,
Sir, plus B to the power N.
to the power n plus b to the
B
power
to the
n
power N.
equal to a to the power n minus 1 into b plus b to the power n minus 1 into a. Okay. Now arrange it. A to the power n minus a to the power n minus 1
So minus A to the power N minus 1 into B.
equal to b to the power n minus 1 into a minus
Minus b to the power n.
Minus B to the power N.
minus b to the power n. Okay. Now take common. What is common?
A is common.
Sir, A is common.
A to the power what common? A to the
A to
Sir,
the
power
power n.
to the power n minus
Sir,
1.
A to the power N.
A to the power
Sir,
n
how
minus
A to the power N minus
So
1?
minus 1, how it
Sir,
is?
how?
take common a to the power n minus 1. See?
Sir, how can we take?
Yes. See? Okay. Then into a, no? A into a to the power n minus 1 what? Tell first. A into a to the power n minus 1 means
Sir, A to the power N.
a to the power n. So we can write
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, yes.
Understood.
minus b. Okay. This minus
Yes,
b, no?
sir.
Yes, sir.
So this equal to b to the power n minus 1. Right side take common.
B to the power n minus 1 into
Sir,
b
A minus B.
n
a minus b.
Sir, A minus B.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now from both sides, a minus b, a minus
So
b.
a minus b cancels.
Yes, sir.
A to the power n minus
A
1
to the
equals
power
to
n
b to the
minus
power
1.
n minus 1.
To the power n minus 1 equal to
B to the power n minus 1.
to the power n minus 1. Now this divided by this. A to the power n minus 1
Sir, A by B to the power N minus 1.
and a to the power n minus 1
So we can write A by B to the power N minus 1.
directly you can write. So first to write a to the power
a to the power n minus 1 by b to the power n minus 1
to the power n minus 1. Equal to 1.
Yes, sir. So that is a by b into
Sir,
a to
A
the
by-
power minus 1 equals to 1.
This equal to,
So we can write it as equal to, sir, a by b to the power n minus 1 is equal
Minus
to
1
a by b
equal
to the
to
power
1.
0.
is to the power n minus 1.
N minus 1 is equal to a
1
by b
equal
to the
to
power
a to
0.
a by b to the power
B to the
0,
power
which is
0.
1.
By b to the power 0.
So, sir, n minus 1 is equal to 0, and sir, then n is equal to 1.
So n minus 1 equals to
So
0.
n minus 1
So
is
n
equal
is
to
equals
0,
to
n is
1.
equal to 1. So n is
n
equal
is
to
equals
1.
to 1.
1.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Answer.
sir.
This is the answer. N equal to 1.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.